That's it?
No, that's scary.
Oh shit.
That was scary.
So how are you gonna ride roller coaster if you're scared there?
That's okay. Yeah. I feel like it's gonna drop.
Hi, we're now here in our hotel. Time to relax now after a long drive for 4 hours.
Go.
Hi, it's Casey Toms and I am now here in New York City. And right now I'm gonna show you how our room looks like here in Marriott Marquis. So let's just start. The first thing that you're gonna see here is our mini closet right here. So you can see we have a extra pillow and bed sheets and also the clothing iron. And yeah, we have also here a safety box. So this is where we're going to put our luggages and our clothes, and if we have an important gadgets, we can always store it here while we travel outside or while we roam around outside. So nice, I like it. And this is our restroom. We have everything here that I need. The soap, nice mirror, the towel. And then here is our bathtub. It's pretty nice. This is the connecting door if you wanna also pay for another room. If you are traveling with your family, like it. And here is the very nice bed. I like the bed in Marriott because it's just so relaxing. You're gonna feel rejuvenated when you wake up in the morning, and you're gonna feel so ready to walk around outside. And here is the mini clock. And also the lights. Their fluffy pillow. And I like this decorative arts right here. And of course, one of my favorite in every hotel room is the nice couch. Just so relaxed. Nice table too. So I think if we ever gonna go out and bring some food, this is where we're gonna. Yeah. And this is our beautiful view. Wow. Did I just get here earlier? I was just in awe. Can't believe that I'm here in this room with this beautiful view. Times Square. Ball drop every New Year's Eve is happening right here in this area in Times Square. But because of the COVID, it's just virtually happening this year for 2021. For 2021. So yeah, I like it. This is my husband's working table, but I bet he's not gonna work because he's on his vacation right now, and yeah, we are supposed to be relaxing right here. But if ever you're gonna come here because of your work or something, this is very spacious and yeah. So you can also eat here, right?
Eat and watch TV.
Yeah. Here is our big TV screen. When it comes to Marriott, it's always LG monitors. And here, nice. So we have here this one. We have a mini refrigerator and also the coffee maker or coffee machine. I guess this is for like ice bath. Can't wait for some wine tonight. To go outside and see new things, see new places, and of course experience New York City. Thank you guys for watching this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe, and